today let you're watching Cooking with Taya and Nina, which is my mom's name. Today we're going to cook this meat. Meat. We already added salt and pepper there. So right now I've just got some tongs. Actually, we just need olive oil. I'm just going to wait for Monina, which is Nina. Okay, guys. So we're using a stainless pot because it's more healthier than that pan because it's not stainless. So we're just going to turn this on first to the max.
Yeah.
I don't have it. Then we add the oil, just a little blob of oil. Is this enough?
Just a little bit more.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Is that good?
Okay.
And we're going to put a little bit more. This. That's enough. Do I add butter? Do I add some
Later,
butter
we'll
now?
add the butter later.
Okay.
Then, just put a bit salt. And we count for minutes.
I'm the best chef in the world. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so what do we do? This is how I love it. It's almost done. Take it out. 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's ready. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. After 2 minutes, flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Mom, are you going to do the others? I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Wait, I'm just going to get some water. Now let's start adding the butter. With the tongs. One first, this one.
No, on the back.
Second.
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Put a little bit of onion, garlic.
And then put a little bit.
Pakamay na lang kaya.
of garlic.
And a pinch of rosemary.
And a pinch of rosemary. It's wonderful, right? Now we're getting the deluxe. Bro, Mom, this is like we're chefs in a hotel. It's not supposed to be a little bit burnt. Are we putting on the other one now?
Very good. You're getting it. Wait for another 2 minutes.
Okay, set it up.
Let's try this one. di ba?
There.
Because
Okay. Well, I moved it backwards because